I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
How many in there? How many in there? What's that? How many in here? 18. It's the loudest vehicle here that drives. Hey, that's the difference, ain't it? Now this one actually drives. I'm gonna put 600,000 miles on this bitch. Riding it good, ain't it, man? Oh yeah. But you gotta upgrade every goddamn thing, man. Roof and all. Transmission, brakes. Really? Motor, yeah, man. After a while, it'll wear and tear, ain't it? Oh yeah, a lot of weight, You demo on this thing? Yeah, if you want to get one, I'll give you one real quick. Yeah, not whatever you can do. Motors are hot as shit, but yeah, I know you might not be able to go long. They ain't sinking, yeah, you feeling they hot. Oh yeah. But the amps was my concern, they was getting hot. So. It's still early in the day, gotta take it easy, right? So let them know what you're running in here, man. It's 8 ZV5 18s, and we've got 4 7500s wired at 0.35 per amp on 2 subs. We're clapping 11,000 watts per amp, 40,000 total. Does a 60 at 20 and a 66 at 43. Yes, sir. I'm gonna walk back and turn the alternators on. Okay.
If you get around, it's going down.
Yeah, we
subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.